Hi, welcome back to Newlook. I'm back with another natural homemade remedy using the tomato and lemon. Generally, melanin is a pigment responsible for our skin color. Excess exposure to sunlight influences the production of melanocytes, resulting in the dark complexion. However, complexion turns normal with time, but impurities and prolonged exposure to sun rays may leave dark spots at different places. There are many factors that causing the dark spots over the skin, which includes pollutants, dehydration, low nutritious diet, genetics, hormonal imbalance, and heavy use of this cosmetics, also our lifestyle too. Though there are a huge list of cosmetic creams that claim to lighten the dark complexion, most of them include the chemical ingredients that can trigger an allergic reaction. Now I am going to show a natural remedy. Just follow me. To lighten the skin, you require only two ingredients in this remedy. One is a tomato and lemons. Take a bowl, cutting into, squeeze out the entire, not the skin, only the juice. If you want, you can boil this tomato and blend to get the mixture like paste. Another half, squeeze out the entire juice. Now taking the lemon, cut it into two halves. Half lemon juice is enough. Now using the cotton ball, here I am using only cotton ball because it is a pure liquid. So dip it and apply it. It is very useful for your whole body. Wherever you have a dark patches, dark skin, pigmentations, own scars, chicken pox scars, whatever the spots, suntan, it also removes. Generally, these tomatoes contain a vitamin A, which fades all the dark spots and blemishes. Also, the vitamin B present in this reduces the wrinkles, fine lines, and encourages the production of healthy new cells. Vitamin C, which is present in tomatoes, helps to build collagen and maintains the skin elasticity too. Calcium present in this tomato heals dry and flaky skin. Also, the potassium present in this tomato moisturizes and hydrated the skin. Lemon also contains vitamin C, which is very helpful for your skin. Yes, apply all over your body. Let it dry for 20 minutes and wash with cool water. That's it guys, this does a lot of wonders for your skin. Tomato and lemon both are rich in vitamins which help to nourish your skin, moisturizes your skin. Also try this video at your home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.